Passenger comfort has been constantly increasing since the 1960s. But that's only the beginning. The future passenger cabin will, of course, be ecological. No more non-renewable materials like metal and plastic, but fully recyclable plant fibers that can be grown to the desired shape. The materials of the decorative elements will, of course, be self-cleaning. Some will even be designed to repair themselves in case of impact. In fact, most of the aircraft components could have several different physical states. Opaque or transparent, as you wish. They could also change shape, like the limbs of living creatures. Much quieter than nowadays, aircraft will also offer the finest views ever of the world's marvels. Unless, of course, you prefer the seclusion of a private cabin that can turn into an office, or a bedroom, or anything else you want, thanks to virtual decor projection. Sounds unreal, but it's just around the corner. One day, perhaps, the cabin will be an individual capsule, allowing you to continue your journey by road, train, or in the air to your final destination. There are so many possible futures for aviation. For Airbus, comfort should be a tailor-made experience.